Welcome everyone. My name is Ed Hahn and I am the Business and Economics Librarian here at Weber State. In this video I will show you how to use the Morningstar database. Morningstar is an online database where you can find investment information. The information includes public company stocks, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Once you have accessed Morningstar through the library databases, there are several options available. You can get company information where you can screen for stocks, you can screen for funds, you can screen for exchange-traded funds, and you can use the portfolio tools. These resources are also available near the top of the page, and in addition you can see some articles and videos related to investing. There is a section for help and education, and then in the newsletters, you can get very helpful newsletters about dividend investing, fund investments, the stock investor, and exchange-traded funds. The purpose of this video will be to focus on finding company information. To look for information about a specific company, begin by entering the company or ticker symbol. In this case, I'll search for the company Boeing, which also shows the company ticker symbol. Once this information is entered, you are presented with a general overview of the company stock. Here's the company name along with its ticker symbol. Next to that is the Morningstar rating for the company. In this case, Morningstar gives Boeing a 3-star rating out of a possible 5. Just below you can see the last price of the stock, the change in the stock price for the day, whether it be up or down, and the percentage change in the stock. Other information also includes the opening price for the stock, the day's price range for the stock, the range over a 52-week period, the yield for the stock, market cap, and the forward PE, which is the forward price to earnings ratio, among other information. Scrolling down, here you can see a graph showing the stock price range. The graph can be shown in multiple ways, including the 1-day, 5-day, 1-month, 3-month, year-to-date or YTD, up to the maximum, which is the maximum information available for the stock. If you're interested in the company dividends, you can get them here. Over on the right side of the page, you can see some of the competitors and where their stocks are trading, the percentage change for those stocks, and the sales for the previous 12 months, also referred to as the 12 trailing months. Over on the left side of the page, you get Morningstar's take on the company, including the analyst report. More on this a little bit later in the video. Down here you get a general profile of the company. Then scrolling down a little further, you can get the key stats on the company, including the price to earnings ratio for the previous 12 months. Then at the bottom of the page, you get an overview of the company financials. Coming back to the top, if you click on Company Profile, here again you get the business description of the company. Then here you get the industry classification for the company. Primarily you would be looking for the North American Industry Classification or the NAICS description for the company. Coming back again toward the top, if you click on Industry Peers, here you get information on other companies in that industry. These would likely be competitors to this company. Back on this line, other information that is available include company financials. Here you get the company's financial information, including their income statement, balance sheets, and cash flows. For the statements, the information is available annually as well as quarterly. For the period, you can get information for 5 years or 10 years. If you select the statement types for quarterly, you can get information for 5 quarters or 10 quarters. Other information that is available is key ratios. In the key ratios, you will get other financial information. Here you get the key ratios for margin percentages of sales and profitability. You can also get ratios as it pertains to growth, cash flow, financial health, and efficiency ratios. The area I find most useful is the stock analysis. This is the area where you will get Morningstar's judgment on the company. Over on the right side, you get a brief overview of the analysis, including the current price, the fair value estimate, the uncertainty of the estimate, when you should consider buying the stock, when you should consider selling the stock, the economic moat, which is a determinant somewhat on how the company fares against competitors. Over on the left side of the page is an in-depth analysis of the company. Each one will have some different sections, but for this one it starts out with the investment thesis. It gets into more detail about the economic moat of the company. Then it dives into more detail about the valuation of the company. You will get information on where Morningstar sees its risk, the value and stability of its management. Then finally, a brief overview of the company. This was a brief overview of Morningstar. Please feel free to use other features of this database.